guys, what's up? It's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video showing this makeup look and also using magnetic false lashes for the first time, so stay tuned to see if I like them or not and if I think they're better than regular false lashes. So yeah, just keep watching, guys. Okay, so let's start with just putting our hair up and getting it out of the way. And we are going to exfoliate my lips with my same old Lipstick Queen lip exfoliator. I'm going to prime my skin with my Tatcha Silk Canvas. I'm going to go ahead and conceal my breakouts with my Tarte Shape Tape. And then go in with my same everyday foundation, the Too Faced Do You. And then conceal my under eyes with the same Tarte Shape Tape. And then set right away with my Makeup Revolution setting powder. And then while it's baking, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows using my Anastasia brow definer in the shade Taupe. And then go with my brow powder and fill them in. And then we're going to go in with the Shape Tape again and just clean that up with a flat brush. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35F, the Fall into Frost palette. And I'm going to take the second transition shade and buff it into my crease. And then I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and go in with the darker and focus that into my crease. Take my finger and just take this little champagne color, put that all over my lid. And then I'm going to buff that dark brown under my lower lash line. I'm gonna brush away my powder. And I'm going to try out these Eylure Luxe Magnetic Mink Effect lashes.
hours later.
I hate these. These were the biggest pain in the ass to get on, and they look crazy. We're gonna roll with it. Next, we have bronzer. I'm gonna use the new Morphe Glamabronze in the shade Megastar. We're going to blend that out. That is very orange. Might go over that a little bit with my Hula bronzer. It's a little too orange for my skin tone. Going to apply some lower mascara. I'm going to be using my Pretty Vulgar highlight in the shade Shimmering Swan. And last but not least, we're going to do lips. And I'm going to be using the Too Faced Natural Nudes lipstick in the shade Strip Search. On top of that, I'm going to be using the Buxom Plumping Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Pink Champagne. I actually don't mind it. I thought this makeup look was going to but I really like it. I really like the lips, so at least something worked out. Alright, and this is the final makeup look. I love how the makeup turned out, and the false lashes don't look terrible on camera, but they look really goofy in person in my mirror right now. They were a huge pain to try to apply, and while I'm not the best with normal false lashes, these took 10 times longer to get on my eyes. So I'm not the biggest fan. They definitely look good on the camera, but in my mirror they look terrible. So I'll probably never use them again. I will stick to regular false lashes, and I'm not saying that these are a bad product. I might just not know how to use them. If anyone knows how to use them, I'd love to know. They definitely didn't work out the greatest this time, but everything else I really like. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button down below. I will see you guys in the next video.